chicken wings, yo. Good shit. Nigga hungry. I'm hungry shit. Yo, Lincoln man pleads to city council stop the use of the term boneless chicken wings. Oh shit.
And then Jane, and then you. Okay?
I promise I won't take up too much of your time here. My name is Ander Christensen. I live at 1212 Twin Ridge Road.
All right, all right.
Lincoln has the opportunity to be a social leader in this country. We've been
shit.
casually ignoring a problem that has gotten so out of control that our children are throwing around names and words without even understanding their truth, and treating things as though they're normal.
Yeah,
I go into nice family restaurants and I see people throwing this name around and pretending as though everything is just fine.
Exactly.
I'm talking about boneless chicken wings. I propose that we as a city remove the... Excuse me, I'm trying to... Chicken wings. Restaurants throwing this name around as though everything is just fine. I'm talking about boneless chicken wings. I propose that we as a city remove the... Excuse me. I'm talking about boneless chicken wings. I propose that we as a city remove the... Excuse me, I'm trying to... Excuse me, come on. I propose that we as a city remove the name boneless wings from our menus and from our hearts. These are our reasons why. Number one, nothing about boneless chicken wings actually come from the wing of a chicken. We would be disgusted if a butcher was mislabeling their cuts of meats, but then we go around and pretending as though the breast of the chicken is its wing.
What?
Number two, boneless chicken wings are just chicken tenders, which are already boneless. I don't go to order boneless tacos. I don't go and order boneless club sandwiches. I don't ask for boneless auto repair. It's just what's expected. And then number three, we need to raise our children better.
Oh my God.
Being afraid of having bones attached to their meat. That's where meat comes from. It grows on bones. We need to teach them that the wing of a chicken is from a chicken, and it's delicious. I propose that we rename boneless wings in the city of Lincoln. We can call them buffalo-style chicken tenders. We can call them wet tenders. We can call them saucy nugs or trash. We can take these steps and show the country that where we stand, and that we understand that we've been living a lie for far too long. And we know it because we feel it in our bones.
Thank you. Okay, hold it down. I would...
You fucking Jared.
Go and order boneless club sandwiches. I don't ask for bone and pretending as though everything is just fine. I'm talking about boneless chicken wings. I propose that we as a city remove the... Excuse me, I'm trying to... Excuse me.
I'm sorry, yo. I'd be dead ass sweet. If I was there, I heard that shit, yeah.
I propose we as a city remove... Lincoln has the opportunity to be a social leader in this country.
He started off so good.
Problem that has gotten so out of control.
He started off so good.
Children are throwing around names and words without even understanding their true meaning, and treating things as though they're normal. I go into nice family restaurants and I see people throwing this name around and pretending as though everything is just fine. I'm talking about boneless chicken wings. I propose that we...
Oh God! That boneless chicken wing action, yo! Get the fuck out of here! You fucking dumbass, yo! Sit your ass down, yo! Oh.